Vinyl on glass? That's last decade. Decals that peel at the edges? Forget them entirely. What if you could print directly onto the table itself, permanently? Meet the XpertJet 1462 UF by Mutoh, a direct-to-object UV flatbed printer engineered for rigid materials like glass, acrylic, and metal. Just place your raw glass tabletop onto the vacuum table. The system holds it perfectly flat, and you're ready to print. Here's what happens next. Watch the print head lay down a white ink layer first. That's your opacity, so colors pop on clear glass. Then CMYK follows instantly. Those UV lamps cure each droplet the microsecond it touches the surface. No smudging, no drying time. Zoom in on the finished print. We're talking photorealistic gradients, razor-sharp text, and vivid color, even on frosted or back-painted glass. The ink becomes part of the surface, scratch-resistant, chemical-resistant, and built to last for years of daily use. Stop applying decals that lift. Start printing permanent art directly onto glass. Check the link below to see the XpertJet 1462 UF in action, or call the number on your screen right now for a live demo. Direct to glass, no limits.